Important phrases for communication. 1. How's it going? Informal way to ask how are you. 2. What's up? Casual greeting. 3. I'm on it. I'll take care of it. 4. No worries. It's okay. Don't worry. 5. I'm just kidding. I was joking. 6. It's up to you. You decide. 7. Take your time. No rush. 8. I'm not sure. I don't know exactly. 9. That makes sense. I understand. 10. Could you repeat that? Say it again, please. 11. I didn't catch that. I didn't hear you. 12. Let's keep in touch. Stay connected. 13. Long time no see. Haven't seen you in a while. 14. I appreciate it. Thank you. 15. Sounds good. I agree. 16. I'm in. I want to join. 17. I have no idea. I don't know. 18. Let me think about it. I need time to decide. 19. Fingers crossed. Hoping for good luck. 20. I'll get back to you. I'll reply later. 21. It's not a big deal. It's not important. 22. Hang in there. Stay strong. 23. That's a good point. I agree with your idea. 24. You nailed it. You did it perfectly. 25. I'm feeling under the weather. I'm sick. 26. Better late than never. It's good you did it even if late. 27. Don't take it personally. Don't feel bad. 28. You made my day. You made me happy. 29. Let's call it a day. Let's finish for today. 30. That's the last straw. I can't take it anymore. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, learn and improve for more such videos.